Right, this is something different. Some of you might like it, some of you might not. But I've seen a lot of the guys on the steam engines have got, the steam trains as well. I really don't have the room for a big steam train outfit. And I've got some grandchildren. So I decided that I might actually get a little train set, and set it up in the garage. Some more. And see if they like it when they come around Christmas. I'm trying to, I've only just started this a few weeks ago. It's the Hornby TT120 set. I've added some track to it, and I've added another train. The TT means tabletop, and it literally will. The kit that comes from in the box would literally fit on an average tabletop. I bought a few buildings, I bought some bridges, I bought some extra track. I'm still there, I'm still getting on there, but there's quite a lot to do, but it's quite a good little, how about this, look. So, engine start. Look at that. Right, so we've got the engine started. Yeah. I'm amateur at this. I've only just got it, but slide that across. It's a basic setup at the moment, but it wouldn't be the same without the sounds. Got lights. When it comes round, I'll put the lights on. It's a bit different to what I normally do. I'm trying to get the setup running nicely. What's your headlights? It's got cab lights. Anyway, it's just a quick video, but yeah, I think this is a good little set. It takes a bit of setting up because everything's Bluetooth. Everything's Bluetooth. Sometimes it don't connect. So I'll stop it now. Turn the engine off. Turn the lights off. That's it, then you just hit stop the layout and switches it all off. Right, see it says there, one connecting device. Well, it should be two, because this is Bluetooth as well. And that one's not connected. And I have had it where you can have two running at the same time. But for unknown reason, you can switch it off, come back the next morning, and only one connects. And perfectly running the day before, next day only one connects. But yeah, so I'll get my head around that. I've ordered a new controller and a Bluetooth dongle. I think that's the way to go. But yeah, just something different. I want my grandson to come around and help me to put some trees up. a bit of scenery, you know, it's only nothing in the middle. I'm having a bigger track. But yeah. Anyway, some of you like it, some of it's a bit different, but that's why I call the channel Hobbies, because I've got a lot of things, I do a lot of things. I'm not expert at any of them, but I do jump from one to the other a bit. But yeah, I thought the grandchildren would like this and have a play over Christmas period. Something different from an iPad, isn't it? Cheers, guys.